I wake up early every morning. I take a deep breath and start my day calmly. I look outside and feel thankful for a new day. I get out of bed slowly and stretch my body. I wash my face and feel fresh. I brush my teeth and smile at myself. I say good morning to myself. I make a simple breakfast at home. I like to drink tea or coffee in the morning. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. I think about my plans for the day. I feel ready to start my work. I check my phone for messages. I reply politely and clearly. I speak slowly and confidently. I prepare myself for work or study. I leave my home with a positive mind. I walk calmly and observe people around me. I listen carefully when someone speaks. I try to understand before I reply. I speak clearly and with confidence. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help me learn better. I practice English every single day. I speak English even when I feel nervous. I remind myself to stay calm. I take another deep breath. I speak one sentence at a time. I do not rush my words. I enjoy speaking English slowly. People understand me better when I speak slowly. I feel more confident with practice. I like learning new English sentences. I repeat useful sentences daily. I use English in my daily life. I speak English at home. I speak English while walking. I speak English while working. I speak English in my thoughts. I describe what I see around me. I say simple sentences clearly. I am improving day by day. I believe in myself. I stay patient with my progress. I do not compare myself with others. I focus on my own journey. I listen and repeat again. I repeat until I feel comfortable. I enjoy the sound of English. I like my voice in English. I am becoming more fluent. I feel proud of my effort. I speak with confidence and calmness. I finish my day feeling satisfied. I know tomorrow will be better. I will practice again tomorrow. I never give up on learning. I am learning English naturally. I am improving my speaking skills. I am confident when I speak English. I speak English with a relaxed mind. I trust myself when I speak. I accept small mistakes calmly. I learn from every conversation. I listen more and speak clearly. I choose simple words to express myself. I speak naturally without pressure. I enjoy expressing my thoughts in English. I practice speaking in quiet moments. I practice speaking while resting. I notice my pronunciation improving. I feel comfortable with my accent. I speak without fear of judgment. I focus on communication, not perfection. I speak with kindness and confidence. I enjoy my English learning journey. I stay consistent every day. I take small steps toward fluency. I feel relaxed when I speak English. I end my day with positive thoughts. I thank myself for practicing today. I feel motivated to continue tomorrow. I feel peaceful when I speak English. I speak at my own pace. I allow myself time to think. I choose words carefully and calmly. I feel relaxed while forming sentences. I enjoy the flow of English. I stay present while speaking. I listen to my own voice clearly. I trust my learning process. I accept progress, not perfection. I speak with a gentle tone. I stay focused on meaning. I express myself without stress. I feel proud of my consistency. I grow more confident every day. I feel comfortable using English. I communicate my ideas simply. I speak clearly and naturally. I stay calm in conversations. I enjoy practicing alone. I enjoy practicing with others. I welcome new learning moments. I feel stronger in my English. I believe in my ability. I move forward with confidence. I end my practice with a smile.